Jai Srimannarayana. 34th sloka of 11th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Dronancha Bhishmancha Jayadrathancha Karnam Tadhanyan Api Yodhaviran Maya Hatantvam Jahima Vyadhishtaha Yudhyasvajetani Rane Sapatnan. Om. You shall surely conquer your opponents. You are assured of your victory over your enemies. There should not be any slightest doubt about this. Only when you listen to Sri Krishna Paramatma and act according to Sri Krishna Paramatma. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha." Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I believe that I shall definitely conquer all my opponents and I am assured of victory over my enemies only when I listen to you and only when I act according to you. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Srimannarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Ho Krishna, please help me act according to as and how you think." Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukayogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam Dvaipayano Virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu Tam sarvabhuta hrudayam Munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Udirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandham 10th Skandham 186th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, "O Maharshis," Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, "O Parikshin Narendra, Aghasura came down to kill Gopalakas and Krishna. Dhrutva Ajagaram, he has taken one form of python and 8 miles lengthy python. That python is looking like a big mountain. And then, in order to swallow all the Gopalas and Balarama Krishna, that python has opened its mouth. The opened mouth is looking like huge mountain den cave. With that kind of opened mouth, that python is now laying down in the path in which all the Gopalas and Krishna coming. So from the opened mouth, all the hot poisonous wind is coming out. Now Gopalas walking in the front, Krishna is walking in the back. Gopalas have seen that, and they felt that opened mouth. They felt that it is a beautiful place in Vrindavanam for us to visit. They thought like that, and again they started thinking like this: is it a dead snake or this snake is alive? Like that they are again thinking about it. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 11th chapter, 34th sloka. Dronancha Bhishmancha Jayadrathancha Karnam Tadhanyanapi Yodha Viran Maya Hatamstvam Jahima Vyadhishtaha Yudhyasva Jetasi Rane Sapatnan. Dronancha Bhishmancha Jayadrathancha Karnam Tadhanyanapi Yodha Viran Maya Hatamstvam Jahima Vyadhishtaha Yudhyasva Jetasi Rane Sapatnan. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.